This is how to draw an easy cartoon bird. First, you'll draw a circle. Doesn't have to be perfect, but that's where its head's gonna be. And then right off to the bottom left, we'll draw a slightly smaller circle. And then over here at the bottom, we're gonna draw a triangle coming out. Okay, so far we just have 3 shapes here. And we only have a few more to add. Going smaller, so come up here, we're going to draw a little circle for his eye and the pupil. And now we're going to draw a triangle for its beak and a slightly smaller one for its lower jaw. Okay. Now we're going to draw a triangle here for its wing. And we're gonna erase this right here. Now we're gonna draw some feet, some cute little triangle feet. Then we're gonna come up here, add some little triangle hair. And that's how you draw a little cute cartoon bird.